In today's unpredictable world, connections play a critical role, both for business and for crew, requiring a more versatile approach to communications. Welcome to KVH AgilePlans, the first true maritime connectivity as a service offering, all-inclusive, no commitment, zero maintenance costs. AgilePlans offers your fleet everything it needs to compete and win. For one monthly subscription, get award-winning VSAT hardware, blazing fast satellite connectivity using the most advanced layered HTS network, free shipping and installation in as many as 4,000 ports and locations worldwide, and superior connectivity. Staying within a region? Choose AgilePlans Regional with an ultra-compact antenna, unlimited data, and no overage charges. Have larger vessels traveling worldwide? AgilePlans Global offers two solutions with exclusive dual channels for all your connectivity needs. AgilePlans Global also includes KVH Link, offering leading operations data along with the ultimate digital news and entertainment experience for crew well-being. Included are daily print and TV news from around the globe, basic training videos for crew, and weather and chart updates. AgilePlans by KVH, a transformative, no-commitment connectivity solution built to fuel your fleet's competitive edge.